Welcome to my video. I was doing an unboxing video with these My Little Pony Cutie Macros. So, and on the bag, you can see all of these confetti inside. And over here, we have Fluttershy, Twilight, and we have Rarity. All of these 2 eggs. And then we have Pinkie Pie, the shiny apple bloom, and the statue Whoopity Rarity, and these 2 eggs. So we're gonna be unboxing them today, and we're gonna be so excited because we're gonna be opening up these Cutie Macros, and it's on my birthday. If you look at the back of the box, you can see there on the side in the Cutie Macros beach. And so let's do the unboxing. So let's get started. I'm gonna be opening up this one. Look back there. Now then, now and here is how the packaging look like. So here's our flyer. There's a bunch of My Little Pony characters so we can collect. And let's open up this one. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this wine bag. Okay, so here they are out of the box. And you can see we have them out. There they are! Hi! So, here's Fluttershy out of the box. She looks super duper cute in her little butterfly kitty box. And Fluttershy comes with this little igloo that you can put it on. Let's move out of Twilight. Here she is! Here's cute little Twilight Sparkle. She has beautiful hair, her tail. Her hoof is also like the same as Twilight with the big flipper. And here's her kitty mug, and here's her wing, and she even has this. I don't know what it's called. You can put this right here, and so I don't know. So guys, I don't know what this is. It's almost looks like a couch, maybe. And then we're gonna be opening up a Rarity. Here's our lovely, beautiful Rarity. She's also a sequestria girl. Look at her outfit, and I love these little flowy skirts and these little sandals. And look at this! It's the little basket with this, maybe. Here she is, taking out these surprise wine bags. Oh, I don't know what it is. I think we look like we need a scissor. Okay, so here's the scissors.
Careful.
Let's cut it. Let's see what else. Oh, look! It's a little dragon! She's so cute! So this name, I do not know this dragon's name. Oh, she comes with this little coffee! Oh, she's so cute! Aww. Let's open up another blind bag. Okay, let's see what else inside. What? Do you see that? It's Rainbow Dash! Yay, there she is! It's Rainbow Dash. Look at her. Here she is out of the box. And look, she comes little like shoes maybe? It looks like ice skating shoes. Oh, look at Rainbow Dash! Now we got the ponies! Yay! I'm gonna be taking all of these ponies out. He's a new character. So let's take out Fluttershy, Twilight, Rarity, the mystery character, and Rainbow Dash. So I think I'm gonna play with the confetti. Okay, so here they all out. We got Twilight, Rainbow Dash, Rarity, the mystery character, and Fluttershy. Confetti pop time! Whee! Okay, so I think it's time to put them inside. So let's put Fluttershy in a little igloo. Let's put Twilight in a little like snowman. These confettis came out of here. These okay. There we go. And there is the mystery character. Do you know all this mystery character is? So let's put this on the coffee mug. Okay, the confettis came out of here. Do you know this mystery character is? I want you comment down below. So let's put this little dragon. Let's put Rarity, the little hat. And let's put Rainbow Dash with these little skating boots. Here we go. Here they are. Confetti time. Whee! Daddy, they're having a party. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. I hope you have fun. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And if you're not subscribed already. So guys, I'm very sorry. I'm gonna be opening up this one tomorrow. And we have all of these My Little Ponies, except this one. I don't know what this dragon name is. So you have to comment down below what his name is. And I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to get subscribed to our channel if you're not subscribed already. And we'll see you